Hi, I'm Amber Jalink, and I want to thank you for considering to promote our new activity book generator. So this is actually a relaunch, what we're calling that, to roll out our version 2.0 of the software. It's a lot more enhanced, and we actually rebuilt the software. So now when your customers join, they're actually getting version 1 and version 2. So they have the capabilities of either way that they want to publish books and printables with both systems, and it's all for the same price. So all the details of the membership levels are below, the upsells and whatever else that they can get. We've also added a really fun contest, and I'm having fun with this. We've got some prizes for you, or you can choose the cash if that's what you prefer. You simply have to match the level that you've earned, okay? And I hope you're going to participate. I would love to see you on the leaderboard. Now, here's the details of the launch. The special launch rollout for the 2.0 version is this coming Thursday, just as a reminder, because I know I've notified a lot of people in the last few weeks. We are launching this Thursday, September 9th. That's this Thursday in a couple of days at 9 a.m. Eastern time zone, and it will run until 11:59 p.m. Sunday night, September 12th. Okay, and then it'll automatically change. The pricing will change back up to the normal pricing, and it actually has increased a little bit from last year because of the rollout of the new system. And the contest, of course, will end at that point. This is an evergreen this is an evergreen product, so you can continue to promote on an ongoing basis, and I really hope you will. And just as a little note, I do sometimes run occasional flash sales and occasional contests just to help keep people promoting and bringing some excitement to the thing, especially when we do a bigger rollout of new features, maybe every 3 to 4 months. We tend to do something like that, so just keep on the watch for it, and I hope you'll promote. And thank you. If you have any questions, you can just reach out to me either on Facebook or by email, and let's have some fun with this.